Straight ahead for me, that's it, that's it. So as I mentioned, if at any stage you find it uncomfortable, do let me know, but you'll be fine, I'm sure. Wriggle it out in one go for you. It's just a bit of skin attached. That's one piece. Wow. Just got another one. There's that skin I was referring to, so that was stuck to the ear canal wall and the wax was embedded within it, so we'll just have to loosen that, get it out of here. Oh, you've got some more. Wax is a bit dry, so we can't not twist it in the wrong direction. Wow, that's quite a big piece. It's seen daylight now, that wax.
God.
Yeah, it's lovely and healthy. Your eardrums nice and visible. It's a textbook eardrum, really. So you have got a bit of wax around, yeah, just like the other side. It's not going to cause any problems, but see if I can get it out. It's really dead skin. I'm going to leave that. It's just a bit of dead skin. It's natural in the ear. And that's what we call the gag reflex. When we apply pressure to the ear, like I just did, it stimulates a nerve called the Arnold nerve, and it can make you cough. That nerve's attached to the vagus nerve, so sometimes that's why we don't remove all the wax around the edge, because it's not significant, and you're just going to cough. But how do you feel?
Yeah.
It's a bit strange, I suspect.
I can't believe that was in there.
Yeah, it's a lot. You got 3 pieces really. That's just dead skin, and that's the last piece. So I'll show you on the big camera now.